Hello learners, in this tutorial I am going to explain a PLSQL for loop. First of all, we will see the basic syntax of the PLSQL loop. So you can see the for loop, then counter, there's an in keyword, then initial values and the final value, then start the loop and sequence of statement. Then after finish this counter values, then it will end up with this loop. So this is the basic syntax of the loop, for loop. So now we will see how to execute sample for loops using PLSQL. For that I will connect to my Oracle database. So click on this, then connect button, then automatically it will connect to the database, and I will open the SQL sample sheet, then click on the OK. Then already I have a sample PLSQL code for the for loop in my notepad. So I will copy from that and paste into SQL developer. So now I will explain this PLSQL for loop. So you can see in the declaration sections I have a variable. It's a, we have initialized the variable. So in the begin sections you can see we have defined the for loop. So starting with for keyword, then a in 10 to 20, double dot is mandatory, then we will start the loop. It means a increment from 10 to 20, then your first value will be 10 for the a, then it will print 10 from this line, then automatically it will increment by 1, then second value will be 11, 12, 13, 14, something like that, it will increase. So at the end your final value will be 20 for the a. Now I will show you the output of that. To get the DBMS output, you have connect to the DBMS output, then click on this button, then you have to select PLSQL block, then click on the run statement button. Now you can see, as I explained earlier, initial value is 10, then it will execute until 10. After that, because this condition will fall, then automatically exit from the loop. So that is the basic for loop statement in the PLSQL. Then I will explain reverse for loop statement. Okay, so by default iteration proceeds from the initial value to the final value, generally upward from the lower bound to the higher bound. So you can reverse this order by using reverse keyword. So now for that I have a separate PLSQL example. So to execute this one, I will open another SQL worksheet and click OK. Then I will copy and paste from my notepad and paste into SQL developer worksheet. So then what happened earlier, you can see the reverse keyword is not there, then it will print from 10 to 20. Now we have included the reverse statement, so it will print from 20 to 10. Okay, so anyway, we will see the output. Before execute this one, we will clear this DBMS output. Then I will select all the command related to that PLSQL block and execute this one. So you can see, as I explained earlier, from this it will start from 20 to 10 because we have used reverse statement keyword. So in the previous one we haven't included that reverse here, so it will increment according to the ascending order. So sometimes when you are developing some PLSQL program, definitely you have to use these keywords. So try to apply these keywords in your program, and please get the benefit from those. So anyway, hope you have clear understanding about that for loop, and if you have any questions you can put on the comment section. Thank you.